In this tutorial, we gonna learn how to CC and BCC in Gmail. CC stands for carbon copy and BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Now, I'll like to explain this with a diagram. Suppose it's your mail @gmail.com. Now you want to send from this to you want to send that gmail.com. Now you send a mail to your you send a mail to someone. Now you want to take a copy of this, so you want that another Gmail gets this copy also, so he gets the carbon copy of this mail. But the problem is that this person also knows that the mail is also sent to this email also. So in CC, what happens that someone sends a mail to this, also put CC in his name in this mail, so this person also knows that he gets a copy. Also this person knows that he they get a copy. In case of BCC, what happens? In case of BCC, this is all for CC. Okay. In case of BCC, what happens? In case of BCC, what happens that in case of BCC, if you put BCC as in mail, you send a mail to him, also you put BCC this mail, then this person does not know that you put this person as BCC, but this person can know that you sent a mail to him. That's the difference. So the difference of CC and BC is that if you put this as CC and you sent a mail to him and put this mail as CC, this person knows that you put this person as CC, carbon copy, so they know that another copy has been sent to this mail also. But if you put this as BCC, you put this person as BCC and sent a mail to him, then this person don't know that you put them as BCC, so they don't know that another copy is going to this person also. But this person knows that you are sending him a copy and you are sending a mail to this person. Now we'll see how to do it in actually put the mail you want to send the mail onto put to CC another. If you want to put someone BCC, so you can put him CC, you can put him as BCC. You send mail to him, he knows that another one gets a copy of that, another one also knows that this person gets a mail. In case of BCC, this person don't know that a mail has been sent to carbon copy is sent to this person also, but this person knows that the mail has been sent to this person.